I'm Tim Wallace from Content to Code. I'm the Chief Executive, and essentially what Content to Code does is we partner with our clients to help them achieve their business goals, and we help them through making their staff more productive at work. Everyone needs to get more work done in their day, and everyone always has a huge amount of pressure on their time. So we provide solutions built on Microsoft SharePoint and Microsoft Office 365 to ensure they can collaborate more effectively, they can find the answers to the information they need, and they can search more effectively across multiple repositories.
My name's Zane Freem, and I'm the Office 365 practice lead here at Content & Code. I've been working at Content & Code for 6 years now in a variety of roles, and I lead our team of people delivering Office 365 to our clients.
Cloud computing is a really interesting market. It's a fast growing market, and it's the way that most computing will be sold in the future. Essentially, people don't want to pay for on-premise hardware and software. They don't want the cost of maintaining it, they don't want the cost of buying it every 3 to 4 years. What they're looking for is a pay-as-you-go model that provides them the latest technology. Essentially, if you have a cloud computing model, you can actually get the latest technology and updates every 3 or 4 months. Okay, so your company can have the best competitive advantage.
Content & Code aims to solve business challenges for our clients through IT solutions. Office 365 provides the opportunity for us to do this at a much faster rate and scale.
Content & Code are very conscious of data security, and in a recent survey about half of CIOs responded that moving their data to the cloud, security was one of the top issues. Microsoft have really addressed these issues, and essentially we're reselling Microsoft software, a Microsoft solution here. And Microsoft have invested over $1.6 billion in their data centres, ensuring they meet ISO 27001, SAS 70 and the EU data sovereignty laws. So essentially Microsoft is providing all the security for us, okay, and the security they provide is better than most of our clients' on-premise security. So as a company, we have to worry about our own security, but Microsoft worries about the bigger security where all their customers' data is. Microsoft Office 365 definitely delivers cost, scalability and flexibility advantages. In terms of cost, it's a pay-as-you-go model. In terms of flexibility, you can choose which products you want. So for some of your staff, you can have the whole suite. Some of your staff, you just might want to have email, and you might want to provide SharePoint so your partners can collaborate with you. And in terms of scalability, you can start with 10 users, and you can quickly scale to 1,000, 10,000, 50,000 users without any problem at all. And certainly within a matter of days, rather than months or years it might take to do it on-premise. Microsoft Office 365 is a solution that allows companies to take advantage of the latest Microsoft technologies that they most likely already use. So you have email, everyone needs email to communicate. It has a product called Link, which is essentially instant messaging and allows you to do desktop sharing, video conferencing, and all those good things. And you also have a product called SharePoint, and SharePoint is a web-based solution that allows you to store documents and collaborate with teams on projects and collaborate with suppliers or partners. So it's a great solution delivered by the cloud.
Also, data management and workflow solutions built into that as well. And then on top of that, you have the Office Professional Plus suite of products, so Word, Excel, all these products that everyone uses today. On top of that, they actually include Office Web Apps, which is a web-based version of some of the more popular productivity programs in Office. If a customer is looking to implement Office 365, be they a small business or an enterprise, they can go to the Microsoft website and download the trial and install and test today. If they're looking to implement it at a larger scale, this is where Content & Code services come in, and we help clients transition to the cloud in a secure and safe way.
For a customer to actually get on board with Office 365, it's quite simple. The first thing we do is we start with a requirements workshop to ensure that Office 365 is the right solution for them. And there's a number of questions we go through. We analyse their environment and ensure that they have all the prerequisites to move to Office 365. Then we often start with a pilot just to confirm everything's there, ensure they're happy with security, ensure they're happy with where their data is, ensure the speed and access is right. And then we move into a full production environment, and that can be done in as little as a month.
In addition, we will provide an Office 365 requirements gathering service to align their business with Office 365 to ensure they make the most of the service. Content & Code has a dedicated support team which can offer clients support of the service. We can take over a delegated administrator role so that they can outsource more of their IT services.
Microsoft Office 365 comes with a very, very good support from Microsoft to ensure the application is up and running 100% of the time, essentially. And what Content and Code provide on top of this is the user support and the help and the training. So to ensure that the clients can use it and ensure they're getting the most productive workforce.
From a development perspective, Office 365 includes SharePoint Online. SharePoint Online is actually a development platform, and Content and Code is a leading SharePoint provider in the UK. So we deliver solutions on top of SharePoint Online without having to have the overhead of deploying the infrastructure in the first place.
The cloud market for Content and Code will be one of our fastest growing markets. In fact, it will be our fastest growing new practice area. We've essentially been a private cloud provider for a number of years since we started, but now Microsoft Office 365 is allowing us to resell Microsoft solution and provide wraparound service with it, and it's the fastest growing area of our business.